Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your OnePlus 10T 5G. So first of all, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. So let's open it. Right here, find the files that you want to unpack. Select them, click on this arrow pointing up. Now you'll enter extraction options. You can change any of the options right here, but it's not necessary. You can leave it as it is. Now let's click on the browse to just change the designation where the files will be unpacked, and click on OK, and that way you'll unpack your files into the specific picked folder. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.